In this video we are going to see magic number. First let us consider one number. Let n equals to 1729. Okay. So at very first step we need to sum all these now digits like 1 plus 7 plus 2 plus 9. So the sum will be the 19, right? So again do the sum for this. Again do the digit sum for this 19. 1 plus 9, we will get the 10, right? Again do the sum for these digits like 1 plus 0. So at last we need to get the only one digit. You need to left over with only one digit. Remember, now when the last digit, what the last digit is going to left should be equals to 1. So when it is equals to 1, this is nothing but a magic number. Okay, I think you got the idea what you mean by magic number. Suppose you taken some another number, let it be 153. So now when you sum this, the output will be the like 6 plus 3, which is 9, right? 9 directly it is a single digit. So single digit we left a single digit which is 9, which is not equals to 1, right? So when it is not equals to 1, it is nothing but not a magic number. Okay, this is how the magic number concept will be. Okay, so first what I am doing is like I am taking one loop. With the help of loop I am doing this sum. Okay, first let us do the sum for this only. First let us take the output for 19. Okay, what the input is, it should be our input is 1729, right? Now let us try to make the sum for digits. Okay, in sum of digits, let it be SOD. Okay, initially for the sum we need to keep the 0, for the multiplication we need to keep the 1, right? Let us take while loop. Okay, you can take for loop also. While loop is better manner. The SOD we need to take the n. Okay, because the number is in the n, right? Last videos we have copied the value of n to the some another variable like temp variable. Okay, now open the while and close the while here until this loop runs. This loop runs until the numbers become 0, right? Sum like sum of digits plus equals to we need to take the last digit, right? Like into last digit is equals to n by 10. Okay, and we need to add every time with the last digit. Now we need to update the value of n, right? Like n equals to n by 10. Okay, this all code we have seen in the last videos in a brief manner. If you are not getting idea of this, please once again watch those videos. You will get the clear idea. So now let us try to print the value of like sum of digits like SOD. Now when I run the program, what will be the output? We need to get the 19, right? So here we are getting 19 successfully. So now we got the 19. So why can't we use this this line of code once again, right? So for using this line of code multiple times, what we need to do? We need to keep this code in the loops, right? So here again once again I am taking loop like until so here at the end of the loop, this is the starting of the loop, this is the ending of the loop. Okay, this is the outer loop and this is the inner loop. Okay, don't get confused. Here at the end of the inner loop, what I am doing is like I am again copying the value of sum of digits into the n, right? So what here happened? So here we taken the n, right? This is a position for n and this is a position for sum of digits, right? What happened at the first iteration? The sum of digits we got, right? So later in the second iteration the sum of digits have become to the number, right? So again copy the value of n to like sum of digits to the n, like n equals to sum of digits. So this outer loop we need to run until the n should be greater than the n should be greater than or equals to 10. If below of the 10 means it we got the single digit, right? Meaning like we got the single digits. Now n until n greater than or equals to 10 we need to run this outer loop. Okay, now here let us print the value of n, what the last n we are going to left. Okay, now when I run this, so here we need to get the 1, right? So here we are getting the 1. So the final output we not need to check the value, we need to get the output as it is a magic number or not. Okay, so for that we need to use the conditions, like if the given we got the number, right? So that the number is when equals to the 1, it is indication like it is a magic number, right? Magic number, otherwise it is not a magic number. I'm copying this line. So I think you know why I'm not using the curly brackets, right? It is a single line of code. When you have the single line of code, we no need of using the curly brackets. So here again, if it is not equals to 1 means it is not indication like not a magic number. Now when I run the program, we need to get the output as magic number. Okay. Now let us check with the 153 also. So here I am changing to 153. Now when I run the program, we need to get the output as not a magic number. See, let us go for another example also. Let it be 193. Okay, again when I run this, not a magic number. Okay, so this is all about the magic number code. So try to make into like scanner program. So use the scanner statements and take the input from output.